Adding the ZoomInfo Chrome extension allows you to quickly access detailed company and contact information directly from your browser, making it easier to gather insights while browsing LinkedIn, email or websites. Here's how to add the ZoomInfo Chrome extension. Visit the Chrome Web Store. Open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for ZoomInfo. In the search bar, type ZoomInfo and press Enter. Find the ZoomInfo extension. Locate the ZoomInfo Chrome extension from the search results. It should be listed with the ZoomInfo logo. Add to Chrome. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to the ZoomInfo extension. Confirm installation. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add extension. Log into ZoomInfo. Once the extension is installed, click the ZoomInfo icon that appears in your browser toolbar. Log in using your ZoomInfo credentials. Start using the extension. Navigate to a company or contact page and click the ZoomInfo icon to view detailed company information, contacts, and related insights directly from the page.